As a Russian tank had been immobilized, the crew can have been seen to surrender as a white flag is on top of the tank. But as the tank couldn't be towed back safely, it has to be destroyed, letting a Ukrainian drone to take care of this by dropping an anti-personnel hand grenade down. While the grenade exploded inside, no ammunition detonates, however causing massive internal damage. As a second hand grenade missed its target, just doing some minor damage on the ERA blocks, the drone operator had had enough and dropped what looks like a thermobaric hand grenade. After bouncing a few times, it falls down in the hatch, causing an ammunition cook-off in the tank. Destroying everything inside the tank, which later results in the fuel catching fire, engulfing the tank in flames, making sure the tank can never be used again, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.